Hello, this is Mr. Civil once again. Please welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, give us a like, and share the video with your fellow engineers. So in today's tutorial, we shall start a new software that is Revit Structural. So the following is the course outline. Introduction to Revit Structural, adding a template which is a structural template, editing and adding new levels, drawing grids, defining columns and column bases, placing columns and column bases, placing foundation wall, placing strip footing, defining beams, placing slabs, that is ground floor and suspended slabs, use of shaft to create voids in a slab, placing of sections, rebar and its detailing, hatching, use of reference lines, labeling details, creating realistic rebar, using aligning command, rebar sketching, detailing of column and column bases, and detailing of the slab. So in today's video, we shall cover introduction to Revit structural and adding a template. So this template I'll give you a description in your link where you can go and download, and if you have not yet downloaded the software, I'll provide a link to where you can go and download the software. So let's get started. So for me, I've already downloaded the template, that is Revit 2019 Great Britain libraries. So this template is according to the British standard, which we shall be using throughout our tutorials and also for practice. So if first of all you right click and then run that template as an administrator, you don't have to worry because you'll get the link in description. And Revit 2019 is the most stable for structural engineers, so I recommend you to use Revit 2019. You have to be patient and wait. So when this appears, you click on yes, and then we shall begin extraction process. But for me, I have already extracted, so you can just click on extract. For me, I'll click yes to all, so it will re-extract all the files. So the extraction is done. After that, you open your Revit software. So here I've opened my software. Now we shall add a template over here. You can see that there is open new construction template, architectural template, mechanical template. So we shall add our template that is for Great Britain, and it will appear over here. To do that, you have to go to file and then options, file location, and then you click on add value, this plus sign over here. After clicking that, you have to go to local disk C where the software is installed. You go to program data and then you look for Autodesk. It is over here. You open that. After opening, you look for Revit 2019. So it's over here. And then templates. Click on templates. For me, I have all these templates. So the template that we shall use is for United Kingdom. So you left click there and then you select structural analysis default Great Britain. After that you click on open and then over here you click OK. So you can see that your template has appeared over here, structural analysis default Great Britain. So we shall open that template. You double click on that. So our template has opened, and then I'll give you a brief introduction. So this is the menu bar. You'll find many ribbons over here: file, architecture, structural, steel, systems, insert, annotate, analyze, mass and site, collaborate, view, manage, add installs, modify. And then here you'll have the properties. So you'll get all your properties all over here, and this is a place where we shall draft all our things. So this was a short introduction of Revit structural. Please, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, give us a like, and don't forget to share our videos with your friends. So in next tutorial, we shall look on how to add levels in our project. Thank you very much.